Yo, what is up, guys? Gonna bring you guys some gameplay on the new Silenced Scar. Let me know what you guys think down below and enjoy. Bro, the cube hasn't even moved since last night. Has it? I feel like it's been there all night. That's literally where I saw it yesterday. Bro. Get that crouch out of here, boy. I see you crouching like a madman. So the FAMAS is actually really good ever since they buffed it. They buffed it and it's super strong now if you have good aim. I'm gonna get some wood first. You see that straight off the bat, hit him for 60. Oh, that felt. And now they get scared, don't know what to do. I don't want to drop down just because. Oh no. Wow, bro. There you go. I didn't even know this was in here. Well, that's not what we're looking for. That man just got destroyed. I'm telling you guys, this gun is overpowered sometimes. If you have good aim, it's pretty sick. This man had no idea what was happening. But then again, it can screw you over because it still has bloom sometimes and it's mad annoying when you die to that. Come on, gun, where are you? Oh, I bet it's in the airdrops. Let's get this one. P90. That is not what I was looking for. Everybody riffed him, bro. He's underground. Oh, he had blasted me in the face right there, dude. Oh, this only has 2. Yo, nobody got the new gun, bro. Oh, found the new gun. Yeah, waste all the ammo. There you go. Alright, boys. First look at the new Scar. Thank you for hand delivering that to me. So apparently, it does have first shot accuracy. So it does have bloom, but it's supposed to be pretty accurate. I don't know. We gotta go find somebody. We got 5 people left, so we better find them quick. Let's draw some attention to ourselves. How did I hit the floor when I was looking up? Oh, it is automatic. I thought it was gonna be semi-auto. You can hold R2 and it'll Damn, that is pretty accurate. Those first couple shots are really, really accurate. And then it gets super bloomy at the end if you keep holding it. What do we have here? Minigun. Why are miniguns? Damn, bro. Watch this, guys. Okay, that was bad aim. That wasn't bloom. Should I go over there and whoop his ass? Look at how hard he's peeking, bro. Another balloon. Yeah, this thing is super accurate first shot. What the hell? Is somebody shooting at that tree? Whoa, bro, relax. Alright, you wanna do it like that? Whoa! I got sniped. It's really nothing too special, honestly, first impression. But that was a close range fight, so like you're not supposed to use it like that, you know. But I want to use it anyways because there's only 2 people left. But it doesn't seem overpowered or anything. That's like what I'm trying to say. You know, obviously it's a good gun. It's on track with the Scar, but nothing insane, you know. Oh, this guy has one too. Alright, ladies, don't kill each other yet. Excuse me, sir. Alright. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, but like I said, nothing too crazy. But GG, buddy. It is pretty accurate though. If you have good aim, I feel like it rewards good aim really well. Because there's times with the Scar where I get screwed over by bloom, and it seems so unfair, but this is going to fix that, I think. I'm probably going to choose that gun over the Scar, just because it basically you reward good aim with it. But yeah guys, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you've tried the new gun yet, or if this is your first look at it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.